Hello, my dear viewers. This is the Dukas Copy Academy once again, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Today is 25th of April 2024. It's Thursday, and I'm your host here with yet another live stream. We are going to witness the key levels of inflection for all the major instruments, and we'll see how we can use them in our trading setups. Some of you might be confusing me as an employee of Dukas Copy Bank, but I am not an employee of Dukas Copy. I am an independent trader and technical analyst. Therefore, all the opinions or the trading ideas that are discussed in this live stream, they are of my own. They have nothing to do with the Dukas Copy Bank. In this program, we will be using the candlestick type of charts to find out the key levels for all the instruments that we see, and we'll really see how we can use those key levels to our advantage in our trading setups. Guys, I will be taking the questions from the viewers at the end of the session. It may last up to 20 minutes or so. So please be ready with your questions, or you can write them right now in the chat box and I will answer them subsequently. Before I start, I must inform you that you should do your own research before you put your hard-earned money on the line. In other words, this webinar cannot be seen as a trading advice. It is only for entertainment purposes. Before I begin with the charts, let me take you through the risk disclaimer. First things first. Now I will quickly run through the resistance and support areas that may be of interest in the coming time, so that you can mark them on your charts. In reality, these levels do not need any explanation. They are very much self-evident. The first thing that I want is the US dollar index. Yesterday it went higher, but I told you that we are looking for the lower prices. So it came down again below the low of yesterday and now is pointing at 105.38, which is below the low of yesterday, that is 105.41. I am expecting further weakness in this one, and we may test the high of this candle, which is 105.29, very soon, that is tomorrow. From the resistance point of view, you can expect a 106.21 as the resistance. The next level of support is around here, 104.79. So let's see. Let's talk about the pound. The bias was bearish till yesterday. Today the price has broken through the recent downswing pivot, that is 1.2484. If you remember, or you can watch the yesterday's webinar where I was sharing that the way the US dollar index is performing, if we see a lower low, then you will see that the pound starts coming up and will break this level of 1.2484. Right now the price is trading at 1.2516, which is almost a level of resistance looking at the past. Now this price can extend till 1.2578 before going lower. Yes, the price has stuck between a range now. It may, and the resistance is at 1.2578 and the support may be seen around 1.252484. Talking about the Euro USD, very clean uptrend here. This low of these two equal lows bodies may be providing resistance to the price in the coming time. Now, the next level of actual resistance is around 1.0885 in this one, and the support is around 1.0610. Australian dollar also somewhat similar to the euro. The resistance being 0.6553, this area here, and the support may be expected at the previous broken high, which may be tested very soon, and the price is 0.6456. Nothing else, guys, in this one. I am expecting the price to actually retrace back before headed higher. Similar is the case with the New Zealand dollar, although it has shown us a green candle, but look carefully how the price is not able to close higher than this rising trend line on the daily or the weekly. Now this is one resistance. The second resistance, which is not very far from it, is around 0.5986, which may be also tested very soon if the price goes higher from here. So I am not very bullish on this one right now, but yes, if the price is able to clear this rising trend line and maybe even also able to breach 0.5986, then I'll be strongly bullish on the New Zealand dollar with the first target of 0.6047 and 0.6083. Right now I'm not very bullish. I'm bullish, but I think these are the very crucial resistances that will play a very important role and may press the price lower in the coming days. In the dollar against the franc, we can see that today there is a high 0.9156 was the highest high that the price has made, although the price could not maintain those levels. That means there is a possibility of weakness in the US dollar in the coming days. USD CAD, I think I have shared this view again yesterday, that although the price was trying to rise from here, 1.3725 was expected to act as a resistance. Now that is the resistance level. The support is 1.3620. All right, here in USD JPY, you can see that the price is clearly making higher highs and higher lows. Well, the upside is possible till 159.88, and the support is here 153.58. You want to keep these levels on your charts so that you can trade USD JPY smoothly. Right now, I am not looking for any buying opportunity because the price has already left the area from where I wanted to buy. So this will be like if you want to catch a bus that has already left the port or depot. New Zealand cat, lower prices are possible. I will not be looking for lower prices. The price retraces higher than 0.8169. Till the time the price is trading below 0.8169, I will be looking for the selling opportunities with a target of 0.8065. Bitcoin, like I said yesterday, that there is a possibility that it will be stuck in a range now here for some times. How it behaves, well, we can tell only when we see enough price action. Whether this idea is supported or not, then only we can come to know. But right now, if you have to consider, then consider 66,921 as the upper resistance of the range and 59,638 as the lower range for the Bitcoin. Brent getting sold off. The resistance zone is around 88.753 and the support is around 84.61. Nothing solid on this one. Yesterday we could not see any not very big price action. Expect the price to go to 84.61 before you see a big move. Gold also consolidating around this level of 23-24. Nothing much in this one also. Nikkei is expanding lower, so yes, 38,278 was expected to act as a resistance. Yesterday it gave a bearish pin bar at the resistance. Now the price is expected to go 35,676 and that is possible here on the daily chart, maybe next week most probably. Euro JPY up candle yesterday, and then I said that yes, there is a retest of that level. Now I expect the higher prices. Now what are the higher prices? 169.97 is what I'm expecting for this to reach. On the downside, expect 165.34 to act as a support. GBPAUD, this liquidity on the downside is taken. A little rise and then sell off is expected in the GBPAUD. Higher resistance 1.9313 and lower support 1.9116. Price breaking and closing below 1.9116 will open up the way for 1.8590. CHF JPY, like I said yesterday, that we are bearish, but the Japanese yen is so bearish or so weak that even Swiss franc is rising in front of it. Breaking 170.79, you can expect 171.82 in this market. Audi New Zealand, although the uptrend is intact, the resistance is huge on the way up. So I suggest you not to trade in this one in the coming days, please. That's all guys from my side. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. If you want something new in this webinar, please share with me in the comment section of the video. I'll be very happy to bring it into the session. Now, if you don't have any questions, which I am expecting not to have, because till now you have not asked any questions, but I encourage you to ask more and more questions so that I can answer them and we can have an interactive session. From this session, I hope you know about the support and the resistance levels that are of interest in the coming hours and days. Just remember to only risk less than 1% of your entire capital on any single trade, and look for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk that you're going to take. With this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this video useful for you. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section after the video is published. And also please consider subscribing to this channel for more such webinars if you are new to the channel. And have a good day. Thank you very much for your time. See you tomorrow at 1700 GMT. Bye bye. Take care.